Hey, this is Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Got a couple mini skids to show you guys today. These ones are unique because they are mini hot systems. So let's take a look. I'll show you these two skids. All right, these are our mini skids with the hot box. They're 4 foot by 4 foot, so super small, compact platform. These ones are actually heading down to California. They're going to clean trash enclosures. So you have the garden hose, 100 feet of 3/4, 200 feet of fierce jet. We'll get into some of those details in just a moment, but there are hot boxes on these, diesel fired, 55-gallon buffer tanks. Let's do a walk around on this one. They are both identical, except for the face of the machine. One is black and one is red. So this is our 5.5 gallon per minute gear drive. This is a custom built machine. This has a recharging system in it as well, so it'll keep the battery charged up. Key start. Give you a look at the gear drive system here on the back. They both have K7 unloaders. So those are flow sensitive unloaders, so when you pull the trigger, you're not gonna have that violent jerk in your hands. It also keeps the pressure washer hose not built up with pressure when you're off the gun. Here is that fierce jet I was talking about. This is really nice stuff. It's rated heavier duty for hot water. You also have our DN10 ball valve. I'll show you that here. So this is an authentic DN10 ball valve, quick connects, stainless steel fittings. So even though you're getting a smaller mini skid, you're not having to sacrifice quality. You still get all the good stuff. These are our Expert 12-inch reels, stainless steel internals. We're not putting cheap reels on these. This manifold in here, these are both 316 stainless steel swivel, and of course the stainless steel stack kit. We use all stainless steel hardware. So when we build something like this, we want it to last for you guys, and we're gonna do it with good stuff. Got the battery here. So this is a marine grade 24 DC interstate battery. There's a look at some of the plumbing back there. Let's take a closer look here. So this one actually has a drain and it has the suction line there. That's all done up with banjo fittings, so really nice stuff. We make all of our own custom whip lines. This is made out of the same high quality pressure washing hose that we put on the reel. Everything is crimped, stainless steel fitting there. This is the stock brass on the hot box. We have the water coming in through the garden hose there, coming up through this blue hose here, and then it's going into a filter up here, and then it dumps into the tank. And you have a Hudson float valve on there. So as the tank fills up, you're not going to overflow the tank. Give you a closer look in there. You can see some of the plumbing. We have the pressure washer bypass line right here. And this is installed with a sweeping 90 stainless steel barb there. This is a banjo bulkhead. These straps on these tanks, these are all stainless steel. We're using stainless steel bolts. And then you have a cradle system down there that cradles the tank in, keeps it more sturdy. This is all built on an aluminum frame. Just a real simple mini skid. This is going to do general pressure washing and of course hot water pressure washing. If you're interested in other skids that we build, I'm going to go ahead and drop my information down below. We do all kinds of stuff. I'll give you a quick preview. If you're looking for something bigger, we do drone builds, truck skids, all kinds of custom builds. This one over here, this one is going out today. Customer's coming to pick it up. This is a van build. You got a bigger pressure washer on here, electric hose reels, pure water system, gas spraying system. Of course, this one has a full soft wash system on it as well. Let's take a look around the shop and show you what else we're working on here. We have a trailer that is in progress here. This is really unique. This is a 6x10 dual axle. So this is a custom built trailer. We order these to be built specifically for us. Upgraded rails, upgraded axles. We have the mounting reel rack in there. And then let's take a look over here. This is a truck skid. This would be considered one of the higher end ones. 5 reels on here, soft wash system, custom built gear drive system, 8 gallon a minute. And here's a look at the other side. So this one would be considered a double trouble if you're contacting us and looking for something like this. And then we have another van build here that we're working on that's almost complete. So a lot of different types of pressure washing setups that we could build for you guys. All depends on what you're going to be doing with it. Again, get a hold of us if you're interested in one of our builds. We'll be happy to help you. Hope you guys have a great day.